Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore travel expenses with TripLog for IRS compliant records. Quick tutorial step-by-step clear. To begin, open the TripLog application on your device. Log into your TripLog account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Select the Expenses tab from the menu. Click on the Add Expense button to input a new travel expense. Choose the appropriate date for the travel expense you are recording. Fill in the amount spent on the expense. Select the category that best fits the type of expense, such as transportation, meals, or lodging. Attach photos of receipts by clicking on Upload Receipt. To enhance accuracy, add a brief description of the expense. If the expense pertains to a specific trip, link it using the Trip Selection feature. Review all the entered information for accuracy. Once confirmed, click Save to record the expense. To generate an IRS-compliant report, go back to the dashboard. Select the Reports tab in the menu. Choose either the Expense Report or Mileage Report option. Set the date range for the report to cover your specific travel period. Customize any additional settings based on your preferences. Once ready, click on Generate Report. Download the report in your preferred format, ensuring it meets IRS standards. Store the generated report safely for your records. You have now successfully recorded and restored your travel expenses using TripLog. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.